Hi, this is Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I have embarked on a journey of training, coaching, mentoring. This is a glimpse of my CAD and 3D seminar at a Polytechnic in Mangalore on 30th October 2025. See, these are all the standard issues. Here, pyramid, cone, cylinder. This is a tire tube for shapes, torus. Then, where you can find this shape? You can make this or you can extrude like this. See some real world examples for the cubes, cuboid, cones, sphere, pyramid, cylinder. This is a Christian cylinder shape. This is a circular size. But this you can do in extrusion and revolve both. Revolve. Full revolution means how many degrees? But this is not full. This is around 270 degrees. This is only a freeform. To make sweep, you have one. I have a strong intent to serve all the engineering and diploma students, predominantly mechanical branch, with the knowledge and expertise I have on this topic.